Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Gilead Sciences' latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Gilead Sciences has been a key player in the biopharmaceutical industry, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Gilead reported a total revenue of $6.7 billion for Q1 2025, which remained flat compared to the same period last year. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Certainly. While the overall revenue was flat, product sales excluding Biktarvy increased by 4% to $6.3 billion. This growth was primarily driven by higher sales in their HIV and liver disease portfolios. The non-GAAP EPS came in at 181 cents, which is a significant improvement from the previous year's loss, and the GAAP EPS was 104 cents, reflecting a recovery from prior year charges.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.75 based on a survey of 7 analysts. How did Gilead perform against these expectations?
Gilead exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.81, beating the forecasted $1.75. This beat was largely due to disciplined expense management and strong performance in their core business areas, particularly HIV treatments.
Product sales performance. Let's delve into the product sales. Biktarvy sales increased by 7% to $3.1 billion. What other trends are we seeing in Gilead's product sales?
HIV product sales overall increased by 6% to $4.6 billion, driven by higher demand and pricing. However, Biktarvy sales saw a significant decrease of 45% due to lower COVID-19 hospitalizations. On the other hand, their liver disease portfolio saw a 3% increase, indicating strong demand for treatments in that area.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Gilead's operational efficiencies seem to be paying off. Can you elaborate on their cash flow and capital allocation strategies?
Gilead generated $1.8 billion in operating cash flow this quarter. They paid $1.0 billion in dividends and repurchased $730 million of common stock, demonstrating a commitment to returning value to shareholders. Additionally, they repaid $1.8 billion of senior notes, which reflects their focus on maintaining a strong balance sheet.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline progress. Gilead has been making strides in their strategic initiatives and pipeline. What are some key developments we should be aware of?
Gilead announced positive Phase 3 results for Trodelvy plus Keytruda in treating metastatic triple-negative breast cancer. They also have a PDUFA date in June for lenacapavir for HIV prevention. These developments highlight Gilead's focus on expanding their pipeline in HIV, oncology, and inflammation, which are critical areas for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Gilead Sciences has shown resilience and strategic focus in their Q1 2025 results. With a revenue of $6.7 billion and an adjusted EPS of 181, they have exceeded analyst expectations. Their strong product sales, particularly in HIV treatments, and strategic pipeline developments position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Gilead's performance this quarter is a testament to their strategic execution and focus on innovation.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Gilead's performance in the comments below.